I'm trying my hardest like not to be like so upset. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So okay, first of all, let me just start off with saying that I am very upset. Like, so I've heard like a lot of reviews on like Fashion Nova stuff, and some people say like it's good, some people say it's bad, like, but you know me, I just had to experience stuff on my own. So I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a try. So I was on their website. It was like maybe all day. I spent all day to find something that I actually liked. And like, I don't really go anywhere. So I was really looking for stuff that I could wear like to work and also like out somewhere just in case I wanted to go out. So, you know, I'm just sorry, my lips are a little dry, but that's okay. So I'm, you know, like thinking about wearing, like getting some stuff that I could wear, like a universal outfit pretty much. So I finally gathered some things that I like. It's not much. I ordered about 6 things and the total was like $100, and I was like, oh, okay, that's decent, blah blah. But mind you, I got like this welcome discount thing, so I guess any other time it would have been a little bit more expensive, but like whatever. So it sent me like a email saying, okay, we confirmed your order, we got the order, blah blah, but due to them having fires in California, it's gonna be like 5 to 7 business days for them to process the order. So I'm like, okay, that's fine, like it's a week, like I'm not even gonna really notice because I work a lot, so I'm gonna be at work most of the time. So I get the notification on the 15th saying that, you know, my order was gonna be delivered. So I'm like, okay, and they first said it was going to deliver on the 16th, but then they changed it to the 17th, which is today. Today is November 17th, 2018. So I'm, you know, tracking it down now because it's like the day of. So I'm like, okay, well, my package is going to come in, so I need to like track it because I'm at work, so I need to make sure somebody could, you know, get it for me. Like I was going to do this Fashion Nova try on, like, you know, this Fashion Nova haul, like trying on the little stuff that I got. So I get home and I already see my package. It comes in like one of these little things. I'm like, okay, that's cool. Like it comes, you know, it's basic size, but I knew that I ordered 6 things and 4 of the 6 things were very thick. And when I picked it up, it did not feel thick at all. So I'm like, okay, maybe they like packaged it real good. I'm trying my hardest like not to be like so upset, but I order a one piece, it's here. I order a sweater, it's here. I ordered 2 pair of jeans, but I only received 1 of them. I ordered another bodysuit, it's here. I'm missing a whole jacket and some jeans, and I just don't understand, like, why is it so hard? Like, if I order 6 things together and you don't send me a notification or anything saying that these items are out of stock, I'm going to expect for all 6 things to come when I place an order and when you say that it's been delivered. So now I'm sitting here on the website looking on like where I can call them at, blah blah blah. My camera is about to die. I'm like, if I can call them or something, like to let them know like I'm missing 2 items that I paid for. And I had to like, I was like, okay, maybe I missed the step or something, like where I thought I put it in the basket but I didn't, or maybe it said it sold out and it was gonna give me a notification. But I went to go look at my order confirmation and all 6 items are in there. I paid for all 6 items and it's missing 2. So now I can't even call these people. I have to send them an email. Like it says they 24/7 customer service on the email, but we're gonna see how long that takes, because I just feel like I shouldn't have to go through all of this. Either y'all gonna give me my money back, or y'all gonna send my stuff. Like and if they say I have to get like a store credit or something, I'm sending all of this back and they're gonna give me a full return, like a full, like, give me my money back. Because no, nobody told me that if you order something it's gonna come in multiple different packages. Like if that's the case, they need to put that in the little thing when you order the stuff. And then it came with this little hold on, let me cover up my address. Don't look at my thumb. Hold up. It came with this little thing that shows like everything. Oh, my nails. It shows everything I ordered, and the 2 items that I'm missing is not on here. I'm just trying to figure out, like, how is it that I ordered 6 items, got charged for 6 items, but I'm only receiving 4, and y'all only putting 4 things on here. Y'all need to return my money or return my clothes, because at this point they're mine because I paid for them, so y'all need to give it back. So I'm gonna wait it out because I sent them a nice little email. I was very respectful, very calm. I sent them pictures of my confirmation and everything, so hopefully they email me back and say, oh, I'm sorry, we forgot your clothes, we're gonna send them over. So whew, I hope that they can either send me my clothes or send me my money. Like, I don't want no store credit, nothing like that. And I was thinking hard, like, should I order from Fashion Nova, because like I hear like a lot of bad reviews, but then I started seeing them doing like getting better, and people saying that, like, you know, their orders come on time and all of that. Like the whole processing thing, that's understandable, because the stuff came, it told me it was gonna come on, pretty much it told me 2 days, it was gonna come 2 days after it finally shipped out, which I think that's a very good thing, you know, props and all that. But at the same time, if you telling me my order is gonna ship, it needs to ship with every single thing that I order, not just half of it. I don't want no split items, like, because now at this point I can't even track the other stuff if it is on a separate order, because they didn't notify me, they didn't tell me that it was gonna be a separate order, so I have no other confirmation link or anything to track it. Like, so I just want to go on a quick little rant and let y'all know that so far I'm not really feeling this Fashion Nova thing. So I'm gonna let y'all know that if they email me back, and I'm gonna let y'all know what they say, but I need either my money back or my clothes. Okay, so I just got off work, so I'm looking like whatever, but I do just want to say that there is an update from Fashion Nova and like what happened with my 2 items. So apparently, like, they sold out. My arm hurts, hold on. Okay, so apparently, like, they sold out of the 2 items that I ordered. So they ended up, first of all, I don't like the fact that you can't like call somebody, you have to wait on an email, which they respond like 2 days later and stuff like that. I just feel like they should respond faster, because that makes people like nervous and like feeling uneasy, just like you saw the clip before when I was like, I didn't know like what to expect. Like, I don't know, maybe like somebody forgot to put it on there and they're not gonna believe that I actually ordered the items or whatnot. So I got that situated. They ended up sending me like an email pretty much explaining like this stuff was out of stock, and that they had to, that I guess like a lot of people were ordering it the same time I was ordering it, because when I ordered it, it did not say low stock or anything. Like, it said it was available like for the size that I wanted it. So I guess that's what that is. So I don't hate Fashion Nova anymore. And then they ended up sending me like little codes to put in for like free shipping and like 20% off, 25% off, all that. So I was like, I can't pass that up, especially like if it's free shipping. So what I did was I bought some more stuff, and one of these days, once all of my items come in, I'm gonna do the try on, so that way y'all can see how everything fits and all of that. So I forgive them. They just need better communication when it comes to stuff like that, only because like it leaves people like not knowing where their stuff is. Because if it shows you that you pay a certain amount for certain items and only half of the items come in, and there's no explanation as to where the other items are, like there's no email or anything to like track the items, and then there's no phone number for you to call the like customer service team, it just leaves people like, okay, where's my stuff, like, you know. But yeah, that ends my little rant. I'm over it now because I ordered some more things. So one of them is supposed to come tomorrow, well, 2 of them supposed to come tomorrow, and then another one hopefully comes by Friday. So yeah, make sure you guys like this video, drop a comment, and DM me stuff that you want to see. I was thinking about doing like a Q&A, so inbox me some questions y'all want me to answer, and I will see you in the next video.